Jason at Jordanbikes. Got for you today Triumph Bonneville T100. Lovely. I've not seen one in this colour scheme, sort of blue over white with a gold pinstripe. It's absolutely spotless. It's lovely. 3,203 miles, that's all it's done. It's 2017 on a 17 plate. They come with ABS and traction control. Just a really lovely bike to ride. 865 cc's. A really popular bike, and it is spotless. Loads of chrome wired wheels, twin shocks. Lovely bike. Show you up onto the dashboard in a second. So over here you've got your info button, go through your trips. You can also go 79 to the gallon it's doing, and your traction control on or off along with the ABS. You get your range meter on there. We'll give it a start. An absolute belt, and it won't last long. Be quick, come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call. Bye.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.